Good morning, you guys. So today is Sunday, August 25th, and it is 10:51. I'm getting ready for church, and I just wanted to do a get ready with me. I took a shower. I did not even touch my hair, and I washed my face. So I'm about to start doing my makeup, and then I'm going to do my hair. I'm thinking about doing my long braid, and then get dressed. So yeah, we're about to have a get ready with me church edition video. So yeah, let's get started. You know when a lot of things is kind of going wrong in your life, but you're just super calm, like you just for some reason are not panicking, you're not anxious, you're not like, you're just so calm. I don't know what that means. I don't know if that means I've been through so much that at this point in my life it's like whatever, or if it means that my soul knows that God is going to handle it for me, so there's no need for me to don't sleep or stress or any of those other things. I feel like that may be what it is, because anyone that knows me knows I'm a really anxious person. Like when something goes wrong, I gotta figure it out, I gotta fix it, I have to do all of that. And like I said, lately I've been super duper calm. So if you guys see me looking this way, it's because my mirror is right here. Don't mind the back of my hair, I don't know what's going on back there. This is how I look when I wake up in the morning, y'all. Like this. No makeup, hair not done, dry as ever. This is how I look, baby. But anyway, so I put too much glitter on my face. My skin hasn't really been doing that well. I think it's between the heat. Right now I'm drinking tea with milk. It's like can of milk. Ooh, it's hot. So yeah, I don't know, like I've been going through a lot, but a lot of different turns and unexpected things have been happening to me, and I don't really understand what is happening, but I know that when it gets bad, that means you have a big blessing coming your way. So now when I start to, like when things start to turn and I start to go through a lot of stress and I'm really confused and I'm just not understanding why I'm going through it, I get excited when I really think about it, because that means God has something really big coming my way. And so that means that you need to pray, don't give up, you know, don't lose faith on God. And I think now that I'm starting to realize, whenever my life turns into crap, like everything is going wrong, everything that you could think of is going wrong, that means something amazing is about to happen for me. And that's a fact. So comment down below if you agree. Like when you be going through so much and you like, yo, what is going on? A few days or a few weeks later, something amazing happens for you and you're like, I see you, God. Like, I see you. For a quick second, I was nervous. Like, I see you, and I'm just trusting in you through anything and everything that I go through. You know, sometimes you meet people and they be going through a lot, and you be like, how are you so positive? And it's their faith, because they know that whatever's happening right now is not going to be their end and all, or that's not going to be what's going to kill them, or that's not going to be what's going to make them lose their mind. It's just, you know that you're going to get out of it and you're going to be much stronger and better, and something amazing is going to be waiting on that other side for you. So I think that's the type of person I'm turning into now, which is amazing because I've always been anxious my whole life. And to be really calm through the midst of a storm, that's a blessing. I really don't feel like talking about my products, because in every single video that I do, which is a get ready with me, it'll be the same product. So if you watch my first get ready with me, it's everything that you've seen in that one. It's just me reusing it, honestly. I don't really change my products up because I don't know. I like what I like. I'm like that with my hair, with my makeup. Skincare, I haven't figured out yet, so I've been trying a whole bunch of different skincare products. And I actually have a review coming for you guys soon, because I started working with a skincare line, and I used it twice so far, yesterday and I used it this morning, and I'm not sure how I like it, but I think I like it. And that would be amazing, because I actually need a brand that I use constantly on my skin. It's all natural, black owned business. I'm gonna put you guys onto it soon. Probably tomorrow I'll have a video up on it on YouTube, but I know I'll definitely have a video on my Instagram up on it. So my best friend is texting me right now. Yo, alright, so hold on, pause. I'm going to church today, right? And I notice whenever I wear makeup to church, I always come home, my makeup be cried off, mascara gone, lashes in my pocketbook. So I'm not going to put on lashes today. I'm just going to wear mascara, because I really don't have time to be putting my lashes in my pocketbook, squishing them and all of that other stuff. My pastor is amazing. I go to this church, and he's young. He's not younger, but he's younger. Like, he's really like maybe in his mid-40s, and he just talks about everything. I feel like when I go into that church on Sunday, he sees me and he knows like the word is gonna be for me, like, because the church is really big, but he knows my family, he knows me as well. So when I come in, like, I always notice that he'll see me come in, and not only come in when he preaches. So yeah, I just, like I said, I've been going through some things, some unexpected I don't want to say battles, but some unexpected things. And at this point in my life, just have a lot of faith, and I'm really calm and really prayerful. I've been praying every single morning. I get up and I walk my dog, y'all. I pray. I just talk to God. When I come home and I feel down and I feel confused, I read these books. I want to show you guys the books, but my camera's actually set up on them. But one is called You Are a Badass, and I'm gonna insert a picture of the book, and then the other one is called Un-F Yourself, and it just basically talks about your mindset, because at the end of the day, you know, what you think is what comes to life. So the mind is a very, very powerful thing. I thought about somebody, and then a few days later you saw them, but you haven't seen that person in years, or you know, you be like, damn, I'm having a bad day, and then all of a sudden your day just keeps getting worse and worse and worse. Like, I'm telling you, and the books just basically talk about like the importance of speaking positivity into your life, speaking change, speaking financial change, speaking healing, speaking whatever you need to happen. It's very important that you speak that into your life and you believe it, even though, like, you know, you can't see it right now and times is hard and all of that other stuff. Like, don't give up on yourself. Don't give up on God. Don't give up on your dreams. Don't give up on your goals. Don't give up on your, just don't give up on your relationship. If that's something you really want, you feel like it's for you. I mean, that's really always a picky one, because sometimes you have to let go of certain people because they will, you know, take advantage and all of that other stuff. But it just basically talks about like not giving up. If you really want something, you can manifest it. If you really believe that you are worth having something, it will happen for you. You have to believe that it will happen for you first. I've just been like real, I don't know, to myself. And I noticed that there's a lot of things in my life that I've kind of, I'm not really proud of the way I deal with certain situations. And I kind of just like need to take a second and distance myself from almost everybody to kind of just regroup myself. Like I'm realizing that I'm losing myself. Losing myself? What did I say, losing myself? No, I'm not losing myself. I know what it's like to lose myself. I am settling. Is it settling? I don't know exactly what's going on with me, y'all. But something is not right. So anything that's happening in your life, whether it's good or bad, you manifested it. Like some bad things, like, okay, so like if your parent is like on drugs, you didn't manifest that, but it's feel like you don't have any money, like that, those are your thoughts. Like because you say, oh, I hate this job, you're gonna hate that job. Or because you say I can't find a better job, you're not gonna find a better job. Or because you say this relationship, even though he treats me like crap, this is the best I could do, that's probably gonna be what you settle for in life. That's, you're not gonna ever know what else is out there, because you're gonna feel like that's the best that you can do. Important at this point in my life that I take some space from a lot of things and people, and I focus on praying and reading and working and building myself up, because at the end of the day, there's a lot of places that I see myself and I can't get there with the same mentality that I have right now. Like, I'm in a transition stage. Is anyone else in that transition stage where you're like, I'm not the person I used to be, thank God, but I'm not the woman I see myself being, which means that I need to distance myself from every and anything that may be distracting, to tap into the woman that I see myself being. Like, I know where I want to be in life, but I can't get there doing what I'm doing right now, like, at all. And I'm excited because I know once I get out of this, it's to better me. I hear something in the background. That's my grandmother in the shower, both getting ready for church right now. But yeah, so right now, all I know is allow myself to transition, but not with any distractions. I think when you're trying to transition, or when God is transitioning you into being a better version of yourself, he'll remove any distractions if you don't have the power or you're not strong enough to remove them for yourself. Like last year I experienced that. I was going through a really big transition and God had to remove a lot of people from my life. And this year as well. And right around now, I'm just, a lot of people are dropping like flies. And I know that's because I'm going through a transition and I'm about to come out a whole different woman. So I'm allowing God to kind of just take the wheel. I remember last year I was fighting with God. I'm like, no, I really want this. And it was everything in me. I knew God didn't want me to have it. And it was like, I really want this. And I still lost it. And in the end, I feel like I lost it even harder because of the fact that I knew it wasn't for me. I knew God didn't want me to have it. And I was forcing it. Anything that you force, anything that you have to force in life is not going to be good in the end. Because anything that's for you, you won't have to force it. It'll just naturally come to you. You know what I mean? So it's like, I just feel like I'm in this transitioning phase where I'm allowing God to just work any way he has to work. If he has to remove everybody from my life, do that. If he has to take everything from me, strip me from everything that I feel makes me me, to really show me who I am, to build me back up and to be a stronger, more confident woman, do that. Like whatever he has to do, I'm just completely giving it to him, because I know in the end, God won't steer me wrong. He won't make any promises to me that he will not fulfill, and he won't give me any visions that he won't bring to life for me. So yeah, I'm in a real weird stage, but I'm excited, I'm calm, I'm at peace. I'm just becoming stronger. I'm becoming, I don't know, I'm just tapping into a really fearless woman, and I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm about to do my hair. My camera actually is about to die, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to do my hair on camera for you guys, but I'm gonna have a tutorial on this hairstyle tomorrow. That's what I'll do. So the hairstyle that I'm about to do, you guys are not gonna see me do it. I'm gonna come back when I'm dressed. But this is my makeup. Really simple, really calm. No lashes because I'm going to church and I'm probably gonna cry them off anyways because my preacher be talking to me, and that's a fact. But I'm about to go do my hair, you guys, my finished outfit. And so yeah, so basically the whole point of this chit chat was just talk to you guys about, like, if you're going through anything or if you're going through a weird transition, like, just learn, like, it's okay to distance yourself. It's all right to take time to yourself. Read books, write letters to yourself, watch inspirational movies. When I tell you every single night I watch The Pursuit of Happiness, because it just reminds me that, like, no matter how hard things get, you just have to keep pushing. Like, you keep pushing, because when you give up, if you give up, you'll never make it there. But if you keep pushing, you'll make it there eventually. It may not be when you want to make it there, but it'll be when God says it's your time to be there. If you're going through any type of transition and you feel like you're ready to give up, or you feel like you're alone, or you feel like you can't do, or you feel like God is not hearing your prayers, like, don't give up. I am a walking testimony, and I'm still in this test. And I could tell you that it was a lot of things I thought I wasn't going to be able to make it through, and I was anxious, and I was confused, and I was angry, and I walked out better than I did walking in. So don't give up on God, on yourself, on your dreams, on your financial situation, on your goals. Like, whatever it is that you have that you feel like you're struggling through, don't give up. So I'm gonna go do my hair real quick. I'm gonna come back when I'm ready to show you guys my finished outfit. Alright guys, so this is my finished look. I changed my little setup, and so I have my Louis Vuitton headscarf on with my white dress that I got from American Apparel. I'm not sure what shoes I'm gonna wear. I'm probably gonna wear my wedges or my sandals, I don't know yet. And I'm going to carry this little Louis bag, my little Louis bag. I decided to actually put on lashes because my look wasn't doing something for me. Like, something was missing. This is the finished look. Alright you guys, so I'm about to go. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and leave other video ideas down below. I hope that you guys like my finished results. Something real simple. It didn't take long at all. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.